Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Nissan Rouge, and we're going to put the door handle and the handle mechanism back on our vehicle. So you just got to reach in, do the door panel that's been removed, and then we got to take this, set it up into place here, get the tabs lined in, and then just pull it toward the front of the car, match our covers back on here, put them in place. And that's what keeps that all in place. There's no screws involved. So then with that sitting in there, then you can take your handle and you pop it in, and then once you got it in there, just pull it to the front of the vehicle, and that's all locked in place there. And then the next is you'll need to take this and put it through and into place, and then we take our T30. With our T30 in here, we tightened up that screw. And we make sure everything still functions at the moment, and so that's good. So that's how you replace your door handle on your 2019 Nissan Rouge. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.